Step 1 is washing your face with double cleanser or maybe with cleanser and exfoliator. You can use either. So first step is cleanse. So I just washed my face with cleanser, and second step is applying mask. So I have this mask here, self-proof infusion mask, which has no algae and summer snowflake and O3. So it penetrates deep in your skin and give you parlor effect every day. So you can use this mask twice a week. So it really requires very less, and you have to apply here thoroughly everywhere on your skin. So like circular motions, and always use your fingertips for applying any skincare product so that product shouldn't go waste. And now you will see it's forming some kind of foam. So